When installing lay and troffer fixtures in a commercial building with a 1IO rated acoustical ceiling, several factors must be considered to maintain the fire resistance rating of the assembly. Firstly, the lay and troffer fixture itself should have a 1IO fire resistance rating. This rating indicates that the fixture can withstand exposure to fire for a minimum of 1IO without compromising the integrity of the ceiling system. This rating is typically indicated by markings such as FR60 or FR180 in the fixture's model number, with FR60 indicating a 60-minute rating and FR180 indicating a 180-minute rating. Secondly, there are specific installation requirements that must be followed to ensure the fire resistance rating is maintained. One of these requirements is the use of fire-rated caulk. The perimeter of the troffer fixture where it meets the ceiling grid must be sealed with fire-rated caulk. This caulk acts as a barrier, preventing flames and hot gases from penetrating the ceiling assembly through any gaps around the fixture. It is crucial that the fire-rated caulk is applied in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions to ensure its effectiveness. The manufacturer's instructions will specify the required bead size, application method, and curing time. Failure to properly apply the caulk can compromise the fire resistance of the entire ceiling system. Thirdly, the ceiling grid itself plays a critical role in maintaining the fire resistance of the assembly. The ceiling grid where the troffer is installed must be made of fire-rated material such as gypsum board. Gypsum board is inherently fire-resistant due to its chemical composition, which includes water molecules that are released when exposed to heat. This release of water absorbs heat and slows down the spread of fire. Using a fire-rated ceiling grid helps to prevent the fire from spreading through the ceiling and into other areas of the building. Fourthly, the troffer fixture should be installed flush with the ceiling surface. This flush mount installation ensures that the fixture is not exposed to direct flame or heat, which could compromise its fire resistance. If the fixture is not installed flush, it may be more susceptible to damage from the fire, and it could potentially fall out of the ceiling, creating a breach in the fire-rated assembly. Fifthly, accessibility for inspection and maintenance is an important consideration for fire-rated troffers. Fire-rated troffer should be designed to allow easy access for inspection and maintenance without damaging the ceiling. This includes providing a way to remove the troffer without damaging the ceiling grid or the fire-rated caulk. Regular inspection and maintenance are essential to ensure that the fire-rated components are in good condition and that the fixture is functioning properly. Inspection should include checking for any damage to the fixture, the ceiling grid, or the fire-rated caulk. Any damage should be repaired immediately to maintain the fire resistance of the assembly. The fire resistance rating of troffer fixtures should be inspected regularly to ensure that they are still in good condition. This includes checking for any damage to the fixture or its fire-rated components. It is also important to follow all applicable building codes and regulations when installing fire-rated troffer fixtures. These codes and regulations are designed to ensure the safety of building occupants and to prevent the spread of fire. By following these guidelines, it is possible to install lay and troffer fixtures in a commercial building with a 1IO rated acoustical ceiling while maintaining the fire resistance rating of the assembly.